Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix thermal throttling problem on an Honor 600 Pro. First, what is thermal throttling? Thermal throttling is when a phone intentionally slows down its processor and GPU to reduce heat. Modern smartphones monitor temperature constantly. Once the device gets too hot, the system lowers clock speeds to protect the battery and internal components. So a first step to reducing our usage is going into settings and going to battery, then changing the battery mode to balanced. This will lower heat generation, improve sustained FPS, and reduce throttling over longer sessions of usage. The next thing you can do is closing all the recent apps to optimize the condition. And the last thing is to avoid soft surfaces, blankets, beds, couches, pillows. Just use a desk, a table, a phone stand, or even hold your hand in open air. This will ensure the temperature won't rise as much. Now let's run a benchmark and we'll see how it compares to what I've done earlier. This will take a few minutes, so I'll be right back when the benchmark finishes. The benchmark is complete. And now, as you can see, our temperature is from 37 to 37 degrees Celsius. Now, I'll show you my other results. This was done earlier on performance mode, and it's 42 to 45 degrees Celsius. So, to summarize, change from performance to balanced mode, clear out your RAM, and avoid soft surfaces to ensure better temperature while gaming. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.